Hello and welcome back. Today we're trying to find out if we can get into a position in which we can be able to find out if a fraction on one hand side is bigger or less than the fraction on the right hand side. Now the reason for that is, can you actually tell me if a normal number like 50 is greater than 2 or not? Now you can actually do that and you can say that yes, 50 is in fact greater than 2. But what if I asked you, like, if 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 4? Now you may actually find that to be a little hard, but one way to think about it is that is like if you have a pie chart type of stuff, you have a circle and you divide it by the number of by the number which is in the denominator. Like on the left hand side we have 5, so I divided a circle into 5 pieces. And on the right hand side we have 2 by 4, which has the denominator 4, and so I divided the circle into 4 pieces. Now the shaded portion are the portions that we are talking about, and you can actually from the shaded portions look at it and tell that, oh yeah, the 3 by 5 is actually bigger than 2 by 4, but you actually have to draw this out, and so there has to be an easier way, and there is. So we're going to actually discuss them right now. So let's actually try to make them comparable, 3 by 5 and 2 by 4, and remember the answer is going to be 3 by 5 because we just actually found that out. So you can actually check the you have something to look out for. Now the first thing we're going to do is going to find the LCM of 5 and 4. Okay, so as we previously did, we have to find a number, in this case 5, which is going to help us cancel out 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5, so we write 1 over here, and we're going to leave 4 as it is. Now the next number is 2. You can say 2 times, we're going to leave 1 as it is, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now again we can use the same number 2, leave 1 as it is, and help us cancel out 2. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now to actually find out the LCM, you need to multiply all the numbers on the left hand side, which in this case is going to be equal to 5 times 2 times 2. Okay, so that is equal to 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Now we need to make all of the fractions equal to a fraction denominator equal to 20. So how do you make 5 equal to 20? You multiply it with 4. And again, how do you make 4 equal to 20? You multiply it with 5, right? We do that, and because we don't actually want to change the numeric value of these two fractions, we're going to multiply the numerator as well with the same number as the denominator. So hence we have to multiply 3 with 4 and 2 with 5. We get the answers. 4 times 3 is equal to 12, and you don't actually have to do, you can actually do the calculation. I did that, and you get the answer 12 over 20 and 10 over 20. But the main thing is that now we are in a position to be able to compare them. Now how do you actually compare them? Now, is this actually true? We first need to know how to compare them. So the thing is that you look at the numerator, and if you remember in the circle's case, this is going to be a circle with 20 sections on both sides, and on the left hand side you're going to have a circle with 12 shaded portions, and on the right hand side you're going to have a portion with 10 shaded circles. Now the easy way to do this is just to say, is 12 greater than 10, and the answer is yes, it is. So 12 by 20 is going to be the bigger fraction, and if you remember, 3 by 5 was actually the bigger number. So that is all there is to comparing fractions and being able to be in the position to compare fractions by finding out the LCMs. Thank you for watching, and really hope you learned something.